Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add a smooth zoom in and zoom out effect in our any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. We already added few sample video files in this project media section. This time let's select this one and I just simply drag it in timeline. Suppose if we want to add zoom in effect from this portion of this video clip, then simply split it, and let's say I just stop zoom in effect just in this position. That's why I just split it. Alright, now I select this clip and click on this little icon which is called event plan crop. Now here you see another timeline indicator. And if you want to add zoom in effect, then you have to use a keyframe. Let's say I set my timeline indicator right here and zoom this video clip a little bit and set it just in this position. And look at this, we just add a keyframe by moving this position. Alright, now I close this one and let's play this clip now. Smooth zoom in. Pretty cool, right? Let's say if you want to add this zoom on effect little bit faster, then select your keyframe and set this keyframe position right here. Now let's play this clip. Makes sense, right? Now let's say if you want to add this zoom in effect little bit slower, then set your keyframe on the very right and close this one. Let's play this clip. Smooth zoom in. Now what happens if you want to remove this zoom in effect? Process is pretty simple. Simply click on this event plan crop and select your keyframe and press delete from your keyboard. And for this reason, our video is now going back to normal. Now if you want to add zoom out effect, then process is pretty simple. In the same way, let's say we want to add zoom out effect on this portion of the clip. To do this, simply click on this event plan crop and set your timeline indicator on the very beginning of your video clip and then zoom this video clip a little bit and set this timeline indicator right here and zoom out this clip. Alright, now let's play this clip. Smooth zoom out. In the same way, by moving this keyframe, you can make this zoom out effect a little bit faster or slower by simply changing this keyframe position. So in this way, we can easily add zoom in and zoom out effect in our any video clip. Thank you so much for watching.